In this part of the question, let's have a look at the length of an arc of a sector, of a circle. I know a lot of stuff, but what is the length of the arc? What is the sector? So here we have, in this question, we have a Kukri table, and that Kukri table is in the shape of a sector of the circle, meaning out of the whole circle, only we are taking some part of it. And we have different measurement given to us. 160 is the radius of the big one. We have the angle. We have as well the length of the working part. So what do we need to do in this part? Each participant attending a demonstration need at least 60 centimeters along the outer circumference of the work section. So where are they standing? This is the working section. So these participants are standing here. Okay. Now, each of them need a bit of space. So they need a length of that part of this table here, of this length here. Let's mark that with a different color. So what I'm looking at is this length here. And each of the participants need a slice that we are told 60 centimeters. So if I have this length, then I can divide by 60 centimeters, and I know, well, how many people can fit in around that. And that's what they want us to do, to find the maximum number of participants who can attend the demonstration. So how do we calculate this length, this part of circumference? That's what's called the arc. And again, we go to our table, page 9, and that's what it is. That's our L. That's the length of the arc. And again, we have two formulas depending whether our theta, meaning the angle here, is in radians or in degrees. Now, our angle is in degrees, therefore we're going to be using that second formula. So we take the formula, we write it down in our question, and we're going to be applying that to this question. So that length is what? 2 multiply by pi multiply by radius. And radius here is what? 160 is given to us in the question. Multiply, then the theta, the angle here is what? 250 divided by 360. So that length, all of that length, we are dividing by 60 centimeters in order to find how many participants. And if we put that, all of that in our calculator and press equal, we get 11.6. So how many people? Well, we cannot fit 0.6 of a person. What are we going to put? The leg or the arm or the head? So only 11 people, isn't it? That is the maximum amount of people that can fit in here.